Hello everyone, my name is Christian Kaese, and in this video I'll be working on lab 5 of the DC circuit. The purpose of this lab is to to explore how a transistor works when it's placed in a multiple in a circuit consists of multiple components. So in this case, in our circuit, we'll be working with the relay, LED, LEDs, a potentiometer, a photo transistor, a photoresistor, and which simply so a resistor simply when in presence of the light uh, uh, its resistance decrease, and in the absence of light the resistance increase. Okay, so and the relay, which is going to help us also to switch the LED, some LEDs, to turn some LEDs on, LED on, and then the other LED off, and the other on when the other on is off. So it's going to go back and forth. So this is going to be so it's going to switch the circuit, the current, in two ways. And we're gonna have a transistor. So let me go ahead and show you the circuit which I've already built. So here is the circuit, so which I've already built. I'm just gonna connect this wire to the ground. Okay, so I'm going to explain. So potentiometer, as you can see here, we have a potentiometer. We have the photoresistor on this side, and then we have an LED on that side. So this potentiometer is going to control the intensity of this LED. So if to increase the brightness and to decrease the brightness. Okay, and once this LED is on, so is on and the intensity is high, so it's going to light up the once it's light up, so the photoresistor is going to capture that brightness, that light, and is going to let the voltage, 5 volt, the voltage go through. But the voltage is not gonna be, it's going to be enough just to open the transistor, which we have here. The transistor is here, which is our main focus. So the transistor is going to open. It's going to open so you can let the current flow through it, from the collector to the emitter. So the emitter is going to be the collector is here. This is the collector. So the collector is going to get the it's going to be connected to the ground, and that current is going to flow through the transistor as long as there is volt from the photoresistor. Okay, so that current from here is going to flow to the transistor straight to it's going to be the ground, and is going to flow to the and is going to the relay, which is here. And then once the is to relay, and the relay is connected to 5 volts, it's going to trigger the relay. And once it triggered the relay, so we're gonna have a 5 volts on. This LED is going to be on. This LED is going to be on, and once we reduce the light, we decrease the intensity of the LED. The photoresistor is going to read that. Is going to read that light. It's going to sense that light, that darkness, and then it's going to switch. So once there is voltage 5 volts to the relay, this LED, one LED is going to be to turn on. In the absence of light on the photoresistor, the relay also is going to be triggered so that we want to remove the voltage, and the other LED is going to power on. Okay, so it's going to, it's going to light up. It's going to light up. So the transistor is going to allow us to, to distribute the current from to get the current from the ground to here, okay, to the relay. Okay, so I'm going to start the circuit so you can see how the circuit is working. So first I'm going to connect to 5 volts, circuit to 5 volts, that to the ground, then to 5 volts. Okay, then I'm just gonna plug my microcontroller to my PC, to my laptop. Okay, now that I power the circuit, you can see this light here is on. It's on because there is not there's not any light on this LED. This LED is not on. So right now there's a very high resistance. There is high resistance to the photoresistor, so current is not flowing. And here there is and in this side right here, so there is also this transistor is not on, so the current also is not flowing to light up this LED right here. So the relay right now is not triggered. So what we are this one is on because we get the positive, we have a 5 volts connected to here to the relay, so it's going to the relay. So once we turn on our LED right here, I can turn it on. So let me see what is going on. Okay, so if I turn the potentiometer to my left, you can see the light switches, and you have the LEDs on. So the photoresistor read the sensing the light, and sensing the brightness of the LED, and now the current can let the current flow. So we are losing resistance here. Now the current is gonna flow. It's flow to volt to bring volt to the transistor. Once the transistor has volt, it's going to open up to let the currents from the currents to flow from the collector to the current flow from the collector to the emitter. Then it's gonna go to the relay, and since the relay is connected to the to 5 volts, then it's going to trigger, and now we have this LED off, and we have the second LED on. So if I remove the voltage, if I remove the brightness, you can see went back to the origin. If I increase brightness, we have the second LED on, the first LED on, and the second LED on. So that's how the circuits work. And yeah, so that's for lab 5 of the DC circuit.